how to create a Deliveroo account. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. So let's begin. The first step is you need to open up your preferred browser on your PC. After that, in the search bar, you have to click in search for Deliveroo sign up. Soon after searching, you'll be able to see the search results. So you have to go for sign up or login in the first option. After that, you'll be able to see the options over here. Either to sign up or login, you can continue with your Facebook, Google, or you can also continue with email. Here I'm continuing with Google. If you are continuing with Google, then you need to select the account with which you want to create your Deliveroo account. After selecting, you need to enter your phone number for verifying. Since it is an app for UK, only the residents of UK can create an account. So the thing you have to do is you have to click on this text box and enter your phone number. After that, you have to go for send verification code option, and after a few seconds a verification code will be sent on your phone number, and the verification code must be entered on your next text box. And after verifying, you will be able to create your account, and from over there you can use the service of Deliveroo app. So by following this simple step, you can create a Deliveroo account. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.